Can you see him? This man came out of his pants outside. He didn't care. Look at his shoes. He just left them there. My gosh. So today was the best day ever, at least we thought. But we did get a chance, as you can tell. We made it a cleanup day for outside. And here you see me sweeping off the deck. The leaves, getting them off, clearing away, so my husband can actually unscrew the boards that's on the deck. And he started lifting all the boards up as he unscrewed them and start moving the wood. And of course, I'm sitting here sweeping, watching him. Pretty much, I'm kind of like staying out of the way, but helping as I can as far as with the boards. I'm not really lifting them. He's doing that himself. He did such a good job. That was Gary. Gary was stuck to the board. Yes, Lydia, you know who Gary is. And I know Naya knows who Gary is. Best yet, tell Naya. We not saving Gary's for her. So anyway, we're trying to get all the boards up, which my husband is. The wind is pretty bad. But overall, it was a pretty warm day. So we're just pretty much going through the process of, how you said, removing what I put down. And I wanted to do something different with that, my original plan. And here, me and my husband, as you will see, we're kind of like going back and forth. He don't agree with it. He think I should leave it, but I think I should move it up because I want my gravel down there. Yeah, so he's kind of like trying to hurry up and get it done. He's like, whatever, we're just gonna get it up. Okay, that's what you want. So yeah, but nice day, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and finish removing this and let a little music play. Yeah, so we're discussing now what I want to do, and all I can do is just look around and see how I can stay out the way, but jump in as quick as he need me to. So right now I'm just getting all the screws so he don't have to walk too far. Some of the screws are stuck. There I go with my hands on my hips. Listening to him right. guess I'm trying to make sure everything is safe. I'm moving everything out of the way. You see all those ants over there. I'm telling you, you need to be careful. Don't step in the ants, because there's a lot of them over there. And when he get in his ways, he hear me, but he don't hear me. This day, we didn't do any actual gardening. We mostly really just removed that deck and kind of placed everything back to have a good walkway. Start visualizing that next step. But this was the only day for the winter break that we was home together. And that we really had time to get out there. And no, it wasn't planned, but it still was a good day to get outside. And we at least had a good day together. I know it seemed like I'm not doing anything, but staying out the way at this part of the demolition is doing something. Be back. Have you ever heard of the phrase, you got ants in your pants? My husband came out these pants today. Them ants are all over him. He didn't care if he was outside. He just came at them suckers. And I'm sitting there like, dude, what are you doing? He said, I got ants in my pants. Let me show y'all the ants, guys. I'm gonna turn you around. Can you see them? This man came out of his pants outside. He didn't care. Look at his shoes. He just left them there. My gosh. What am I gonna do? What am I do? Oh Lord. Y'all, these ants are ferocious. I'm trying to get him off of his clothes. Oh Lord, I'm glad we didn't have an audience out here, man. Oh gosh. A lot of these little suckers too. Guys, I mean, he seriously came out. I've never seen anyone do that. I don't even know what to say. I just laid him right there. I gotta go check on my husband. Be back. Well, guys, we're gonna have to continue this video later. I think my husband might be done for the day. He said he can't do the ants. I just told him to watch the logo ants. But anyway, we'll continue this video later on the remodel cleanup of the garden area.